channel, Push Play with Paige, and today I have a special guest, TJ. This is my twin cousin TJ, and one fact about us between each other is he was born 2012. I was born 2011, but he was born December 18th, and I was born December 19th, so for one day we're the same age. Today we're going to be making Muddy Buddies. So the first step is we need to wash our hands just to be safe. Not how you wash. I got 2 points, Mom. Here's what we need.
We need chocolate chips, peanut butter, butter, corn mix, sugar. Wait, what is that? Sugar. Powdered sugar. Vanilla. So the first step, you have to dump your chocolate chips and use a spatula to scoop the peanut butter into the bowl.
Here, hold the thing. Oh, there. Teamwork makes the dream work. No, trying. So once you have your chocolate chips and your peanut butter, you're going to put it in the microwave for 1 minute. You can use a parent to help. And now what we just have to do is wait. Time to take it out. 25.
Next step is to stir.
Let's start. And it's hot, the bowl, so be careful. Oh, how do we hold this if it's so hot? Just hold it. Okay. Oh, TJ.
It's hard one too, okay.
TJ. If the mixture isn't smooth, then put it in the microwave for 30 seconds.
The bowl is going to be hot, so glove up.
Next step is to add vanilla, and you can put it in a small glass or a tiny cup. And
it smells the best thing.
so pour it in. Now it's time to stir. Now it's time to pour in the Chex Mix.
Or cereal.
And now it's good thing the dogs will clean that up. Oh, TJ, it's a mess. I didn't spill anything.
Well, at least you did better than me.
I'm just older. Time to mix. Gotta get the chocolate under. Oops, we almost forgot the butter. Typical us. Every chef needs to taste their meal.
Delicious.
DJ, what about me? Now we're gonna put a little powdered sugar at the bottom of these big plastic bags and then shake. Here are
my 2 other brothers.
And here are my 2 other cousins.
They're gonna help us shape.
And we're gonna have a dance party.
It's time for a change. Let's get out of here.
So now all you have to left to do is just pour them on wax paper for them to cool.
And then enjoy.
Wait, I forgot. Oh my god. Wait, who's going? TJ. For watching today's video, make sure to click that subscribe button, turn on those notifications, and give me a big thumbs up. So, I think I ate too much of these and my teeth went loose. They're like loose. So it's gonna come out, I think, tomorrow. Bye!